right, we are going to be reading about hurricanes this week, and so we're going to take our vocabulary words that involve hurricanes and terrible weather that causes hurricanes, and we're going to do our Thursday vocabulary page. So we have a whole bunch of words, and we have a first letter A for ancient. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in ancient for my first. I'm going to move these over a little bit. I click the cursor near the number to the left side of the number, and then I hit the tab key to move them over. So A is the first. We don't have any B. We do have C. We have condense and we have condensation. And so I think we're probably going to put condensation first. Let's look and see. And then we're going to put condense. Oops. So this has C-O-N-D-S-A. So that's going to come first before the E, right? So that's kind of helpful for figuring that out. And then A, B, C, D. Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And I have predict. Oops. Okay, predict is my next one. And then I have P, Q, R. I have like several R's. I have rapidly, I have rotating, and I have rage. And I think rage is going to go first because it has an R-A-G. And then rapidly is going to go next because it has an R-A-P, right? G comes before P in the alphabet. And then rotating has an R-O, so that's next. And then I'm going to have the last one is whirling. Okay, so let's double check it by singing the alphabet song A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, 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 S, T, U, V, W. So we're good. Okay. Now, word number one is ancient, and so we are going to say that ancient is an adjective. And I put Karen on the word board for a joke. Ancient would be antique or old. Number two is condensation, and so condensation would be wetness, and it is a noun. And then word number three, oopsies, word number three is condense, and that's a verb. And compress was our synonym. Number four is predict on our list. So predict is a verb, and the synonym is infer. And then these guys kind of got junked up, so I'm just going to, I put my cursor next to the number, to the left of the number, and then I just use delete. All right, so tab makes it go forward, delete makes it go back. And so number five is rage, which is fury, and that is noun. Make sure it only has one R, otherwise it's furry, and that's not the same thing as rage. Number six is rapidly, and that's an adverb. And promptly is the synonym. Number seven is rotating, and that is a verb. And revolve is the synonym. And number 8 is whirling, and that is a verb. And spinning was our synonym. Okay, so far so good. Now we're just going to put the definitions. Sometimes people get this confused with the definition. The definition is what the word means. This is how to use the word and the synonym. So here we go. Number 1 was ancient. So we have from a time long past. Whoops. Past. Number 2. I don't know why it did that. Number 2 is, let's see. Number 2 was condensation, right? So that is a gas being reduced to a liquid. Number 3 is condense, and that means to become less in volume. Number 4 is predict. Is number 4 predict? It is predict. And that means to tell in advance. And we also had another prophesy. And then number 5, I can't really see, but it's fury is the synonym, so I know it's rage, right? So rage is going to be a show of violent anger. And number 6, I hate it when that happens, when a big box blocks your blocks what you're doing. And then number 6 is, let's see, it was promptly, so that's rapidly. That's, why am I typing the word hello? Happening speedily. And then number 7, there's that crazy big box. Number 7 is rotating, so it means to turn on an axis. And then number 8, our last word was whirling, so it means to spin rapidly. Okay, so I hope this helped you figure out how to do the Thursday worksheet. And hopefully you use the video to help you so that you don't put the definitions up here and the synonyms down here, right? So a part of speech tells you how to use a word in a sentence, like what kind of word it is so you know how to use it correctly. A definition just tells you what the word means, right? What's its meaning. That also helps you to use it correctly, right? So you use the correct word for the correct task. All right, I hope this helped you. I hope you were able to see it okay. It's always weird. I do this with 2 computers and it's a little bit blurry. Sorry about that. But I hope it helped. All right, I will talk to you later.